Hi everyone. So, what pulls you back from reaching your dream destination?
Is it learning English or cracking IELTS? What is your fear?
I don't think I can crack IELTS within a month.
I didn't study in English medium school, so it is tough.
I am good at writing but not able to speak.
I haven't studied anything after graduation.
Though I am confident to talk, I am lacking in grammar.
Which one of this was your excuse? Mine was actually fear. I was not even able to talk in English in front of others. What about you?
Well, in my case, I was confident in writing but couldn't speak.
If you can relate to all this concern, the first thing that you should keep in your mind is this is not your personal problem.
It's a general thing, actually a very common concern.
Yes, we agree with you. Learning English, that too within 1 month, is not at all an easy task.
Well, is it what stops you from chasing your dream to be in a foreign country, a better life?
If yes, then we have to share something very important to you.
Learning a language is a long process. It is a long journey into its grammar, phonics, structures, and much more.
But cracking IELTS is a total different story. It needs your consistency, dedication, effort, and most importantly, effective training.
See, IELTS is like a Rubik's Cube. It is a set of shortcuts, templates, and moreover, practice.
Shuffle it, reshuffle it, and there you are in your dream band score.
That is what we offer to you. Our assurance is the best quality training and templates.
Our student Danish scored 9 in listening, 9 in reading, 8 in writing, and 7.5 in speaking. Overall, he is having an 8.5 as band score. If you're looking for results like this, join Godspeed IELTS coaching. We will provide all the materials and formulas needed to score high score like Danish.
So, let's start dreaming together. For our Namo sessions, please contact us.
Godspeed Immigration and Study Abroad Private Limited.